Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make some Farmhouse Rae Dunn inspired small rolling pins. I think this will be so cute for my kitchen or just for 3-tiered trays. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a DIY, okay? So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and we're going to go to the circle with the plus for new project. That will put us on our canvas. Now I'm going to go over here to the text on the left hand side of the screen and click on that. And then up here where font is at the top of the screen, there's like an upside down triangle. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go to my system that will give me all the fonts in my computer, okay? And I've downloaded some from dafont.com that I think I would like. The skinny is one. I'm just going to type in the skinny and hit enter. And to me, this looks a lot like Rae Dunn. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to zoom in. And I'm just going to type basically some farmhouse words. I'm going to do 3 rolling pins, okay? So I think one would be good to say family. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So Rae Dunn to me, okay? And I'm going to go up to the lock right here. There's a little lock. I'm going to unlock it out from size. And I want it to be 1 inch tall. And then depending on my words, will be how long I want it to be. So family, I want it to be, I think 4 inches wide. Okay, so we're going to backspace and put 0, 0 there. Okay, so there's that one. Then I'm going to go back to text and it will stay on skinny for me, okay? And then I think I'm going to put pie on this one, okay? All right, and I'm just going to move this one. And once again, I want it to be 1 inch tall, but the width, I want pie to be. Okay, so I'm going to go back to text and you'll see up the top it's still the skinny, and until I change it, that's the way it will be. I think I'm going to put homemade. Okay, I don't know if I like how that pie is looking. I don't know, we'll look. Go back up to size, unlock it. I want it to be a 1 inch. And homemade, I think I want it to be, I think we'll do 3.5 on this one, just so it's a little bit different. It's totally up to you what you do, and then lock it back. Now, I'm liking that. Family, I don't know that I really like how pie is looking. Let me do another one. We'll go to text. And maybe I will put, let's try eat. I kind of like that one. Okay, we'll move it here. I want it to be 1 inch, and then eat. Maybe I just made that pie a little too large. Maybe I'll make it 2 inches. 2.0. Okay, and we'll lock it back. I like that better. I didn't like how the pie looked. Okay. All right, so I like this. So now this really looks like Rae Dunn to me, okay? Okay, so I'm going to draw a box around that and hit attach. Draw a box around eat and hit attach. And draw a box around family and go down to the bottom of the layers column and hit attach, okay? Then we'll go to make it right top corner. Okay, then we'll go to continue right bottom corner. My computer is connecting to my Cricut and I need to put it on custom. Okay, now it's on custom, and I have premium vinyl, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to leave my pressure alone, and then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out these adorable Rae Dunn dupe rolling pins. Okay, here are my little rolling pins. They were natural color, and I just put some Waverly antique wax on them yesterday so that they would be nice and dry for today, and I love how they all turned out. I just got these at a local hardware store. I found some on Amazon, and I'll link them in my Amazon store in the description box below in case you want to get some of these little ones and you haven't been able to find them, because I think they're really cute. Okay, and I just have my white premium vinyl from Cricut. You could do black, you could do any color that you wanted. Okay, and I have my transfer paper. So we are just going to put this right down on here. This would be a wonderful little gift that you could do for Mother's Day, or for, you could put sentiments about mom or home or family. Okay, I'm going to insert this with the blinking arrow, and then we'll cut with the blinking C. But this would also be beautiful during Christmas time, I think. And it's never too early to start making your crafts if that's what you want to do. But you could do so much with this. Now I have the Crafter Square craft picker, and I think I'm going to try it. A lot of you told me that the transfer tape isn't any good at all, and to be careful because it sticks to the mat if you use, depending on which mat you use. Now this is very sharp. This might be good, so I will let you know what I think about this after we do this video. Okay, and it's cutting this out. It won't take it long. And then we will apply this. I may have these too large. We'll have to see. I guess it just depends on what look you are going for, but you could embellish these. I saw some of these on Amazon, and they were very, like, for 3 they were $16. So I think it would be a good craft to sell if you wanted, or, you know, do you want to save some money? Just make your own. Okay, now we'll eject it. Okay, now I'm just going to take my scissors and be really careful and cut in between this. And I made, I think, my family too large. We'll look at it. I don't know. I may redo it. But just peel away whatever you don't want. I really like this picker. As you can see, it just came right. Got a hold of that immediately. That. So far, I'm loving this picker. Okay? Let's see. I think it's equal to or a little bit better than the Cricut one. So that is exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now I'm going to take my transfer tape. I'm going to pick this up. This is what we have. I know it's virtually impossible to see that. I really do like that little picker. Then we'll put this right down. We'll get our little scraper. Peel it off. And this is what we're getting so far. I think that's so cute. Like I said, you could make them as big or as small as you wanted. I'll link defont.com in the description box. And this is the skinny, I believe. And that's what we're getting so far. You could even put a heart on each side of this. I think that would be pretty. So adorable, okay? So now let me see what I think about the eat. Might be all right, I don't know, but I'm thinking the family, I just made it too big. There's eat, but I don't think you can see it. Okay. And you can either put it down towards the end on this one. You could put it in the middle. Put mine just a little more towards the end. You could paint these rolling pins. You wouldn't have to do what I did. You can paint them. I think that is so cute. You could even put a little pig right here. I think maybe my letters are a little big. I prefer the size maybe that the homemade, but I mean, it's all right, it'll work. Okay, and then let me look. I just think maybe I got my family. Let's look. There's family. I think it's too either too big or, well, maybe for some reason my computer's been acting a little funny. Let me see if I can get it closer together. Okay, I just went back and scooted it closer, the letters closer, and I like that a lot better. I just unattached them, ungrouped them, scooted them back over, regrouped them, and reattached them. And you could make them as close as you want. And I kind of wish I had done that for eat, okay? And then I think I might put this one maybe a little closer to the top. And here's this one. So let me see what I want to do to them, and then okay, here they are. I really like how they turned out. This is the first one. It says homemade, and I think that is really Rae Dunn dupe, if you ask me. I love it. Like I said, you could paint this any color. You could paint this white with black letters. You could do white with, I think I already said that, white with black letters, black with white letters, but I wanted to keep mine really natural. I really like this one. And then with this one, family, like I said, I went in and scooted the letters together, and I just took some of this Dollar Tree ribbon that I picked up quite a while ago, and I just put it on each end. You could put it on one end if you wanted, but I thought I'd do something a little different. And then here is eat. I think it's really cute. Now I wish I had scooted those letters together on this one. I could redo it if I wanted to, but it really doesn't bother me. So if you look at them together, it's kind of hard to see them together. I'll show you what they look like in my kitchen decor. Like I said, these would be great for 3-tiered trays. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow for a DIY. I'm pretty sure we're going to go back to those stamps and molds. Probably both. I love them. So, and like I said, I'll link some rolling pins in my Amazon storefront in the description box below, just in case if you can't find any like this. But my little local hardware store had them for children. So, but let me go get Maggie. I had a request to show her on Cricut Monday, so let me go get her. Well, here is the baby, and she had this on earlier, and she's so funny. She had to take it off herself. Say, Mama tried to take it off of me, and say, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do it myself. And say, now I want to snoop and see what all Mama's got up here. Say hi to your friends, Maggie. Say hello. Say, I love you. She's so funny. So, until next time. Bye, guys.